Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at the Gift Zone Center, or the Gift Center, however you want to call it. This is Loves. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform. My subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright guys, so we're at the Tool Gift Center, or the Gift Zone. Black Friday 2021 deals this week. So $29.99 for these clamps. Seem to be very high quality metal clamps. Then we got some chisels there at the bottom for a piece. Pretty nice. And then we got a kids junior tool set, 8-piece, $26.98. So just the basic tools: tape measure, hammer, pliers, and screwdrivers. Alright, $26.98 for the 106 drill and drive set. Alright, you got some nut drivers there. You got some 1-inch bits, lots of 1-inch bits there. 2-inch bits there, and then you got some nut drivers there to the left, some Phillips, some flats on the right. Looks like some magnetic bits right there in the middle, and then you got some longer bits on the top there. And then you got some drill bits on the right, and then you got some spade bits. So lots of bits in there. All right, $7.98 for the 7 1/4 circ saw blade, and then $39.98 for the VersaStack 140 piece drill drive set. $9.98 for the drill bits. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals there on that. And then we got this one for $34.98. It's a 4-pack mini Wi-Fi door plugins. It's pretty interesting. Everything's becoming smart. So $29.98 for the 2-pack Shock Force Night Eye tape measure and level. This is a really high quality tape measure, really nice. Really like the design that they did it. It's very easy to see, and it's marked on both sides, as you guys see there. And does have some, I believe it's metal, the metal rails that it has there to protect it, I guess. And then you got this level here. It's a really useful level in case you want to measure some pipes or whatever you need to measure to level it out, basically. You got this drill here, 1/2 inch drill driver, great for the house for the first tool set. That's a nice tool set there. 71 piece Craftsman with the VersaStack compatible. $49.98. Then you got these torque wrenches, 1/2 inch drive torque wrench, $49.98, and then you got a 3/8, $49.98. So you got your choice there. Personally, I would go for the 1/2 inch. That's the one that I use to torque the tires. If you got, if you do your own tire rotations. Got a nice screwdriver set with some precision screwdrivers there at the bottom. 25 piece, $29.98. And then you got a 5-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $59.98. 164. It's 4 horsepower, 5 gallon. Then you got this bigger one. This is a 9-gallon, 4 horsepower. $59.98, so same price. Not a bad deal. $7.98 on this toolbox. It's a pretty nice toolbox. Definitely check it out. 6 drawers and 10 drawers. It says 1,500 pound capacity. Then you got this bigger one here. It's a Craftsman 928. Yeah, this is a much bigger one here. So definitely check them out. Then you got the Cobalt 649 13 drawer. I personally like this color. This color is really nice. It does have the USB outlets there on the right, so you can charge your power tools. And then it got some nice deep drawers there with the self closing drawers there. So pretty nice. 100 pound capacity on each drawer. Alright, you got these Maker X. Looks like you got some newer tools here, because these, I haven't seen these before. Looks like you got a rotary tool, and then you got this glue gun. This is 20-volt glue gun. I don't know if they include the battery or what's up with this. You got an air nozzle here, 20-volt cordless air nozzle. You got a 24 piece 3/8 nano drive, 24 bucks or just about 25 bucks. 24 piece there. It's not too bad. All the basic sockets. You got a hang anything kit, $29.99. Really basic tools for somebody that's a good gift for somebody that just moving into their apartment and stuff like that, or their first house. So you might want to give them a few more tools than that though. If they're moving to their first house, maybe a drill or something like this at least. A screwdriver. It does have a nice LED light. You got forward and reverse. It's almost the size of a drill, so I would just definitely get them a drill instead of that. So $59.98 for this full motion TV wall. Excuse me, I'm just so sleepy. All right, so you got the Fox. You got a hammer there and a pry bar there. That's a pretty nice color. So in case you're at the job site, everybody has their hammer out. That's one way to tell that's yours. $14.98 for the 20-piece Hex Key Set. $14.98 for the 15-piece screwdriver set. So you got the screwdriver set here. This is ratcheting screwdriver, fastest speed drive technology. I'll leave you guys the sound so you guys would hear the ratchet there for you. So it's pretty nice. I really like these ratcheting screwdrivers. And then they got this one. This one's a combination hex. I personally don't like this style. I like the the bundles where you can fold them in, fold them out. Those are the ones that I like. $19.98 10-piece multi-drive accessory set. It got some long extensions, as it is in 10-piece. Some short extensions, and some universals there at the bottom. $19.98 6-piece Cobalt screwdriver set. This is really nice. Does have the markings there, as you guys see. You got red on that one and then yellow on the bottom, and they're marked on both sides of the screwdrivers towards the the metal. They're marked at both sides, and it does have a nice hex handle there. Really nice, a lot of grip. I really like these screwdrivers. I might pick up some. I'll probably wait until the Black Friday, the Friday this week, to go out there and see if they have any of these in new lower prices. $19.98 for the 2-pack 25 feet control tape measure by Crescent Lufkin brand, I guess. So these are just standard yellow ones. I personally like the black ones better. It's just easier on my eyes. You got $19.98 for the 2-pack 25 measure with the knife. This one's pretty much the same, standard yellowish with black letters. Like I said, not necessarily my favorite. You got a 3-pack of 4-inch clamps, $19.98. And then you got these pony clamps in a box there for you guys. These actually seem pretty high quality. So that's a nice brand. The Cobalt $12.98 for the 3-piece groove joint pliers. That's a pretty good deal. $12.98 for the adjustable wrenches. It's a good deal on that, and a good deal on this one, locking pliers. So definitely lots of good deals here. Stock up, like I said. You got somebody that's getting their first toolbox, then it's a great gift there. Give them their first set of wrenches. Especially Cobalt's good quality. It's decent quality. $19.98 Cobalt 14-inch hard bottom tool bag. So they got two different ones here. They got a regular tool bag here, and then they got this hard bottom toolbox. I like this hard bottom, so that way you're not breaking your tools, your power tools. You're taking care of those. All right, $14.98 for the Earwind vice grips. 2-piece. This is a pretty nice set. These are pretty much the original Earwinds, a good brand. $14.98 for the 3-in-1 pepper gel seatbelt cutter window breaker. Guys, this is something that should be on every vehicle. If you got a wife, you got a daughter, Make sure they have one of those in the car, or at least something similar to that. 1998 for this screwdriver. And then they got this Cobalt toolbox, or this tool cart, for $199. Seems to be decent. It's not the highest quality, but it is decent. Yeah, it's fairly decent. It'll get you the job done. You know, it'll hold your tools. You got $9.98 for the Speedo the torpedo level. Not necessarily my favorite color on that level. It's hard to see. You got $9.98 for the Cobalt gloves. It's a pretty nice set of gloves there. And then $14.98 for the thermal performance gloves. As you guys see, they got a special texture there, so you guys could get some more grip. $19.98 for the 50-piece drill drive set. And then you got the 21-piece drill drive set there for $19.98. They got the titanium, I believe. It's a 21-piece. And they got the 2-pack 25 feet compact white blade tape measure. Now let's look at what they look like. It's white. This is a little bit easier to see. Easier on the eyes. That green neon, yellowish, greenish. That's really hard to see. And it is labeled on both sides. So it's a good quality tape measures here from Cobalt. Not too big to pocket there. $14.98 for the 6-piece mini plier set. And then you got the 13-in-1 double drive screwdriver, $12.98. That's a nice deal on that. So you got a bunch of bits inside that screwdriver. I'll leave you guys the audio on that one too, so you guys will hear it. Alright, so $14.98 on the carbon pencil marker, and then you got the mallet there, the rubber mallet. You got the tough carbon here, all-in-one marketing pencil. Alright, they got the folding utility knife, $9.98. Very similar to the fastbacks. You got a toolless blade change there, pretty much easy. Folding utility knife. Alright, you got a jab saw, or drywall saw, however you want to call it, $9.98. It's from Crescent. That's a pretty good deal on this. And then they got the multifunction knife, $9.98. That's a nice knife. Does come with some few bits in there, some basic bits. So if you need, a screw, tying up a screw or something, that's a really nice kit to have. And as you guys see there, screwdriving, how you can use it as a screwdriver and a hex. And they got this toolbox, guys. I believe this one's going to be down to $129. Correct me if I'm wrong at the comments, but I believe I heard $129 for the Black Friday. Right now it's $169. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.